We've got a meter, so I did a little bit. It did like 57s at 23.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, nice. It's called Radio?
I've only had it for about 3 months. It came out of Texas. The guy that had it before me had some obsession with the movie Radio, like his profile pic on Facebook, Cuba Gooding Jr.
Jakar FTW for the win. All right. So, your name's Brad. Could you tell me what's in here that you do know?
It's got 6 definitive audio 15s on 6 sound digital 3Ks. Wow. 6th order.
Oh, 6th order. Nice. Looks really good. Have you figured out SPL score at all, or tunings or anything?
I messed around with it for the way, we've got a meter, so I did a little bit. It did like 57s at 23.
Wow. Tune low. Looks good. What are these subs rated for?
They're only 1250 RMS.
1250? Okay. Oh, there they are right there. Yeah, I see it. Nice. And you have it phased so you can have them playing the same. Yeah. Looks really good.
But
really nice.
You know what's crazy though? Just because you'll appreciate it. The difference in the 6th on this one in particular, how it'll get on them highs.
Oh, so it'll play high notes pretty good too?
Yeah.
Well, this front port's going to be able to play that higher note into the 40s or even 50s, depending on what the tuning is.
And see, that's the thing. I don't know. Like, I'd love remember when you came down to the shop and helped us with the Suburban?
Yeah.
I'd love for you to get in there and figure out what the...
Yeah. I was going to say, it takes a lot of technical.
I know.
And the main thing is it's just writing down, physically writing down as you do things. Yes. Don't just try to remember, because you won't remember it. And then make little graphing charts of everything as you do it to learn everything. Yeah. All right, yeah. Higher note. Wow, you got speakers everywhere. so windy it likes the lows, yeah. Awesome. Yeah. It does have a high note with the lows too, yeah. Yeah, be careful with the higher notes, aren't good on you sometimes. Whew.
No, you know, I got that pacemaker.
Oh, yeah, be careful. Hey, appreciate it, Brad. Nice to see you again, man. Thank you for the demo.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you. Nice.
How you want it? You want him to do yours? Yeah. He just